We'll guide you through how to set up a domain redirect on Namecheap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard, where you can see all your domains listed. Click on the domain name you want to redirect. This will take you to the domain management page. On this page, find the Advanced DNS tab located at the top and click on it. Here, you'll see a section labeled Redirect Domain. Click on ADD New Record. In the Type dropdown, choose URL Redirect Record. Now, in the host field, enter the @ symbol. This will apply the redirect to the domain itself, not a subdomain. In the value field, enter the full URL to where you want your domain to redirect. Make sure to include the link or link at the beginning. For the TTL field, you can leave it as automatic. After you've filled out these fields, click the green checkmark to save your changes. It might take a few minutes for the changes to propagate throughout the internet, but usually, it's pretty quick. Now, when someone types your domain into their browser, they'll be redirected to the URL you specified. This is super useful if you've moved your website or need to direct traffic elsewhere. That's pretty much it. You've successfully set up a domain redirect on Namecheap. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.